All right, you guys. So we are going to continue with solving systems of equations. Okay. So we're just going to jump right in to our problems here. Okay. And Delta Math kind of gives it away. It says solve quadratic / linear systems. So that means we're going to be looking at a quadratic equation and a linear equation. So you should remember from Math 2 that a quadratic equation is a parabola. So if you are typing this in and you are not getting a parabola, okay, something might be wrong, okay? So there's my first parabola. So y equals x squared minus 9x minus 10. All right, and now I'm going to type in y equals negative 3x minus 3, okay? All right, now you have to understand with pictures that they don't necessarily cross as many times as maybe you think they should. Okay, so that's why there's this drop down solution of no solution, one solution, two solutions. Okay, because just think about where I could move this line to where it would not cross through the parabola and about how I could draw the line so it only goes through the parabola one time. Okay, and in this case here, if I zoom in just a little bit, okay, you can see that it crosses twice. Okay, and we need to identify those 2 points here. Okay, all right, and so we have 2 solutions, and those solutions occur, okay, where the value of x. So x is negative 1 and 7. Okay. So those are our systems, okay? And then I'm going to click submit. Yes. Okay. Okay. So Delta Math actually wants us to type in the point, okay, with parentheses, which that's fine. Okay. So if I were to go back and type in parentheses, negative 1, comma 0, and 7, comma negative 24, close parentheses, submit my answer. You can see it corrects it to the green check. Okay, it's just a matter of learning what the different systems want you to have. Okay, all right, so now nothing's going to change. Okay, in terms of I can give you one example, I can give you 10 examples. You're going to type it in and you're going to tell me where it crosses. Okay, all right, so let's go back. Let's go to this next set. Okay, so we've got a system of equations. We've got a circle and a line. All right, so I'm going to type that in, parentheses, x minus 1 squared plus, make sure I'm not in my exponent, equals 26. Okay, let me get that switched over to a plus sign. Okay, so there's my circle, x plus y equals 7. Okay, all right, and you can see again, no solution, one solution, two solutions based on where that line crosses through that circle. Okay, we do have 2 solutions, and those happen at 2 comma 5, 2 comma 5, and then parentheses 6 comma 1. Okay, so 2 comma 5, 6 comma 1, submit my answer, yes. Okay, and then again, this is the algebraic approach, the part that we're not doing. We're just looking at it from a graphing point of view. Okay, and then if I were to bring in a table, okay, if I were to solve this for y and I were to solve this for y, the table would have this point in common and this point in common. Okay, so when I were to compare the two table of values, okay, you would have 2 comma 5 and 6 comma 1 as part of your table. Okay, all right, I will come back in a third video to talk about how to do this last section of systems of equations.